super exciting day. Today's the day we are going to break the Bugatti rims on this vibration table. Do you know what this thing can do? It can do 4,000 pounds at 45,000 pounds of force, carrying 4,000 pounds. So this should break them for sure. So we have our simulations, our predictions of where it's going to break, and we're going to be using the techniques in the Perfect Vibration Test Handbook. And very exciting. Let's see what happens. We're going to try something to see if we can get the full ringing from resonance on it. So we've taken the rim. They're going to be able to ring because we have it just being held by the hub mounting surface. So like a tuning fork. We've calculated through FEA what we believe will be the resonances. It's going to go one axis, switch to the other, and there'll be a third one that we hope will break it. You have a pretty solid prediction then on the three ways it's going to vibrate.
I think we know which way it's going to vibrate, and we'll be able to predict the failures from there. 573 hertz. We're seeing two mode shapes.
Yeah. Ed, are you excited?
I'm very excited.
This is going to be incredible. And next week you're taking the car to
a large runway in Titusville, Florida that's supposed to be about 5 kilometers long. So theoretically that's long enough to go as fast as we want.
Yeah.
We're about to decide how fast we want to go.
All right, so this is a little bit, the results of this test might help you make some life and death decisions about when to let off the throttle.
Exactly, or at least know how reckless I'm being.
At 5 hertz, doing well. Now we're ready for the second part of the Bugatti wheel test. As you saw, we used vibration to age them dramatically. By having that specific resonance at an increased G amplitude, we're able to take them and with a very short period of time, have them age many years. So now what we're going to do is we are going to use force to finalize the test and measure which one aged more. Whichever one can take more force, did better. Now how does this work? Take a look at this aluminum rod. Now as you can tell, there's no way with my own strength I can bend it. I can pull it and have it snap. Now if it had a life where it had vibration like this, there would be some time period where it would wear out. We don't have enough time to wait. So we can put in greater amplitudes of vibration, age it, and then you can see how just with a few simple dramatic motions, I can break it. And that's what's going to happen here. We're going to start with the pressure. And we'll be able to read the responses as they're happening. We've finished the 20-ton pressure test on these. And as you can see, they both are still intact. Now, I did hear some creaking, small kind of crackling sounds. And these both were beginning to deform, and they probably now have enough fatigue cracks in them that they shouldn't be used. But we were not able to get catastrophic failure. Why? Well, with jet turbine blades, when we do a vibration profile, like on the table you saw, usually we do about 5 days of the intense vibration profile. And that will cause a full fracture. Now, we didn't have that long, so what we were hoping was we could do an even more intense one for just a few hours within 1 day, and then take the press and have it do the final fracturing. We kind of found a limitation with the actual machine. It was safety controlling itself because we were resonating so hard. So it turns out we didn't age them enough to where the 20-ton press would fully fracture them. But if what we were doing was to see if these Chinese rims are strong and of good quality, they are very impressive. They clearly don't have defects. They clearly are very good manufacturing quality, and they are forged. So I believe that these, with the types of high-speed regular tires you can get that you're putting on the car, these will work fine. So Ed, I say go for it. See how fast you can get that Bugatti going to the limit of whatever tires you can get on here. And we'll see what happens. But to be honest, it would have been nice to see these get destroyed and come apart. I have an idea. Here we go, we got our idea. This is how we're destroying it. This is Doug. We're wrecking these. The rock broke.